Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're in the Wish of the Disneys. And we're going to be showing you our main room.
Our only room, one bedroom. Stateroom 13014.
Are you guys ready? Let's do this.
You have to put your key card there for the lights to be on.
Look at this guy. Coconut. We got some blackberry. Let me call my mom for a second.
No, your mom is here. This is Tangled theme.
So we have
very cute.
Blackberry.
Hold on.
Banana, orange.
So this is the dining. Why is the light off?
And other stuff.
The dining room area. Who turned off our light?
Nobody.
I got these actually.
Crispy rice.
Well, I didn't get this. This is concierge.
We got the
strawberry. But I got us these.
We got the banana, we got the orange, and we got apples.
This is the Bon Voyage.
This is an entrance to the Wish Tower Suite. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Let me see your entrance to the Wish Tower Suite.
I'm gonna lock the key in the safe.
It's a closet, not the Wish Tower
Joss
Suite.
Queen. All right.
Let's go see the first bathroom. We missed the bathroom.
This turns into a bed.
First bathroom. This is the kids' bathroom. Nice shower.
Really? You're giving us a small bathroom? When you see the other bathroom, you're gonna be like, that bathroom is effing lit.
Brandon, stop it.
Look at this.
That bathroom is nice. Ooh, who's sleeping there? You guys are sleeping together. Look, a nice little wet bar area. Drawers. No, that doesn't turn into anything. Here's a couch that you guys are gonna sleep on tonight. Guys, look. We're finally gold.
Oh my god.
We're finally gold. Castaway. Look, Brandon, don't open that. Welcome aboard, valued guest. Let me see.
Castaway.
Oh, that's so nice. Let's go see the parental room. Look. So this is the Bon Voyage package. Let's sail. This is a Bon Voyage package.
Look at this.
This is the master suite, Rapunzel themed. Really nice. We get to take these home.
This is mine.
A nice little desk area.
Can you not step on my shoes?
A nice little storage area. And let's check out. Oh, look, this is part of the package that we got.
We have a mirror.
A nice mirror, which we're not interested in right now. This is more closet space. There's plenty of closet space in here.
Oh, look, we got the toilet.
This is the parents'
It smells like salt water in here. We got the shower.
Very nice dual sinks.
This is the best room of the day.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is nice. A nice mural.
Makeup.
Bathtub. Oh, makeup. Nice. Thank you. And the toilet
You're
room.
like alone in the bathroom.
This is beautiful. This is the nicest room we've ever stayed in
All right, guys.
on a cruise ship. Wait, let's look at the balcony.
I already unlocked it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Oh, look, Rapunzel. Look, this is the view from the balcony area. We have the sofa that turns into a bed, a TV here, and there's private doors so we can close the door so the parents can get privacy from the children.
Wow, you don't love me?
I love you, but not when it's time to sleep. And this is the living room area. And let's go look outside. Open the balcony. Do you remember how to open it? There's another lock up here. So there's an extra lock on the top if you're worried about your kids opening the door. It's pretty secure.
Started off with the balcony, you can see the independence of the
Oh yeah, the independence of the sea. So we have a nice long balcony. Let me stand over here.
If you drop my phone, you're dead.
Thank you. All right, guys. So this is our room. Sorry for the messy tour. The kids are very excited.
Yes. Okay, guys. So that is it for the room tour. We'll be showing you a tour of the whole entire ship in the next video. So see you next time.
Yes.
Bye.
Look.
Oh yeah, to charge the phones. That's right. I heard about that.
Oh, look at what's that? What's that scribble?
Okay, bye guys.
Where?